post-burning machine. Biforce Technology's post-burning machine is designed to connect poles with brushes on battery cover by controlled melting and form battery terminals. Movable welding head with gas burner, ignition device and special conic pots to form shape of battery terminals are available. Forming pots and the burners with water cooling provide controlled dipping and equal melting at necessary depth. Prior to entering in welding mode over the course of procedure, low flame mode is envisaged. Operating unit has servo motor control that makes scheduled acts on 2 axes. In addition, the machine is equipped with a device which measures battery terminal height and the unit of marking damaged batteries. The machine may be used either as a separate device or as part of the assembly line. Control. The machine is equipped with adjustable movable control panel having internal Siemens touchscreen that provides input of necessary parameters, forming, recording configurations for different battery types and audit of burning process. Automation of the technological processes is carried out by Siemens brand plc. Conveyor. The machine is equipped with engine-driven conveyor with easy guide setting, safe battery positioning and fixing system. Thanks to smart standstill system, a new battery is not put into operation until processing of a battery is completed.